everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jason, and in this video we are going to do a new unboxing for me. This is a company that is called The Naked Beauty Box, and like I said, it is my first subscription box from them. So let's get right into it. If you're not familiar with The Naked Beauty Box, you get 5 full-size products, and I believe it is 35. Let me quickly look that up here. Yeah, you get 5 full-size products up to $150 worth. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and non-toxic skincare products. And it is $35.99 a month. Yeah, so let's go ahead and see what we got in our first box here. The box comes like this. Okay, it's a nice, cool, decorative box. When you open up the box, this is what you see. If you hear some noise in the background, it's really windy here. I think we're kind of on storm watch, but so it's just a lot of wind outside. But anyway, when I pull out the card here, everything is wrapped up in this nice blue tissue paper. And in this pamphlet, I believe it tells you what you, yes. So when you open up the pamphlet, it does tell you what you are getting. And it gives the retail value of each of the items. So that's really good. So let's go ahead and just start opening and see what these products are. First thing I'm going to pull out is this. And again, they're all individually wrapped like this, so that's nice. Little stickers say thank you. I really like the color. I don't know if this is the color every month or if it changes, but oh, there's 2 things in here. Okay. So this is, what is this? Retinol serum, vitamin A plus power retinol. Is the light too high? Let me try and lower that slightly. Let's see here. I think that's a little better. Yeah, there we go. And then it came along with this. Oh, Shine On Nail and Cuticle Oil. So these 2 came together. Now let me look inside here. I actually don't see these in here. This is not one of the 5 items listed in here. So maybe this is a extra gift, a bonus. Let's see if we've got 5 more items in there. All right, well that's kind of nice. My cuticles are in bad shape, so I'm excited to try this out. Let's go ahead and open up the other paper. And let's see what we've got here. We have, okay, we've got this avocado and algae face mask. Now, this says that they're all supposed to be full-size products. So, I guess for this particular brand, this is full-size, which is kind of surprising. Plant-based avocado and algae face mask. This retails for $22. Instantly notice soft and clean skin from the nourishing superfoods of avocado, spirulina, and moringa that give your skin the vitamins it needs. All right, well, I guess this is full size. That's a little surprising. $22 for this. Interesting. Let's look and see what we've got next. Wow, this is what the container looks like. I'm gonna assume this is maybe the lip balm. Oh, Speak, it's on the back here. Speak, what it says, oh, it's Speak, this is the lip balm. Speak Speak Collective Lip Balm. This is $8. Provide instant relief to dry, cracked lips and leaves nourished, soft, and smooth with regular use. Again, this says on the website it's all supposed to be full size. So this, it just comes in here. It looks like you just push it up from the bottom. So I don't see a way to twist it. All right, so we've got that. Let's look at our next item. Let's pull this out. This is pomegranate enzyme facial peel. So this is what we've got here. And this is Rechurch's, I'm assuming that's how you say it, Organics Pomegranate Enzyme Peel. This is worth $32. Our enzyme peel uses pomegranate ferment enzymes to eat away at the glue that binds old drying skin cells to the fresh new layers of skin underneath. Apply and leave on for anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes, then rinse with warm water. All right. Interesting. That, again, that retails for $32. Let's look at our next item in here, which is a face mask. It does look like, feels like a sheet mask, so you get 2 of them in here. This is the Midflower Binkoton, I don't know how to say that, charcoal mask. And there's 2, so it's $12. They're $6 each, so you get 2 in here. Face masks I like, so I'll give these a try and see. I know that charcoal is supposed to be good for you, so we'll give that a try. And let's pull out the last thing in here, which is Nourish and Company. This is, I cannot read on the label here because the font is strange. This is Nourish and Company Spot Treatment. This retails for $22. This powerhouse blend can be used to prevent blemishes or as a spot treatment to minimize current blemishes. All right. So it does look like, because we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these are the 5 items that came with the box. So it does look like this was like a free gift. I don't know if they do this in all their boxes, or if this was just because it was my first box. I'm not sure. But again, the products in here are all vegan. They're all cruelty-free. They're all supposed to be full size. Some of them I question a little bit. Let's see, make sure I'm not forgetting anything. And I'm not really familiar with the product brands, so I don't know if they're more indie brands. Yeah, non-toxic skincare, vegan, cruelty-free, worth up to $150. 5 full-size products. So those are considered full-size products, which surprises me a little bit. It doesn't surprise me a lot. This is just a lip balm. That's pretty normal, but the face mask, this being full-size, I mean, that fits it smaller than the palm of my hand. And then what else was, yeah, so, all right, well, that's my first box for the Naked Beauty box. What do I think of the box? It being my first box, I'm not quite sure. I like the idea of trying some of these new products. Like I said, I'm excited for the cuticle, the Shine On Nail and Cuticle Oil. The rest, I really am not familiar with them. The face masks, of course, I've tried face masks before, so I'm just really surprised with, I think the one that baffles me the most is this mask here, it being full size. But I'll give them another, another month or two and see what the boxes are like. If I feel like they're not improving to what I would expect in the box, then I'll just stop those subscriptions. But let me know what you guys thought of this box. I don't think it's a horrible box, and I'm sure if I added up those, yeah, so 20, so that's already 50, 70, 80, 90. So I don't see how that's 150. But I'll do the math and put it in the video and see exactly what was in this box. I don't know if they're including the extra gift that they give in there. I don't see retail value for that extra gift. So, but anyway, I'll put that in the video when I edit it. Other than that, that'll do it for my first, the Naked Beauty box. So again, it's the Naked Beauty box. 30, I think it said 35, yeah, $35.99 a month for 5 full-size products. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you for watching this video, and let me know what you think of it in the comments below. Let me know if you are interested in any other types of subscription box unboxings. Leave those in the description down, or comments down below. And once again, I do have a giveaway going on, and that giveaway is talked about in my video where I do Ipsy Glam Plus versus Ipsy Mystery box, and I will put a link to that video in the description box down below. So give that video a look, see if you want to enter my giveaway. I've got a box of products that I won't use because I don't wear a lot of makeup, so we'll see how that goes. All right, everybody. Again, thank you for watching. Everybody stay happy, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video.